Once you've signed into the pupil world, to get to your rapid reading books, click on My Stuff, and then if there's more than one logo along here, click on the Rapid logo. This will show you all of the rapid reading and rapid phonics books allocated to your child. Underneath each book, you'll see the number of coins allocated to that book. This means that if the child completes all of their activities first time and completes the book, they'll get 24 new coins to add to their collection. Let's have a look at Jed and the Sheepdog. So click on it to launch it. Every rapid book starts with a before reading page. Here you'll find tricky words, which are words that appear in the text but may be unfamiliar to the child. It's a good idea to click on these to hear them and get the child to practice saying them out loud before they start to read, and this will help them feel more confident when they come across those words in the text. In fictional stories, you'll also find the characters with their names at the beginning, so that again, the child can start the text feeling a bit more confident. Click on the Rapid Boy icon to hear an introduction to the text. Once the child is ready to start reading, they read the text here, and if they get stuck on a particular word, they can click on it to hear it read out loud for them. This way, they don't lose confidence as they're reading. The child can also click on the Read to Me button. This will read the story to them, highlighting each line, one line at a time, so the child can follow along. They can then have a go at reading the page independently once they've heard it. Some of the pages include activities. If you click on these activities, they'll open in a pop-up window. They'll help to check the child's understanding of the text. Some activities are also based around reading and spelling familiar words. When the child gets to the end of the book, they can close it. If they click on Close Book, because they've finished it, the book will disappear from their My Stuff and it will appear in their library. So if they want to read it again, they can.